more about class inheritance. Go to brackets now. For now, I will create a new class that is over child class. Class man parenthesis colon. Define a function called strong, def strong parenthesis self colon. Then print a string min are strong. Now, kid object will inherit these features. So type kid.strong parenthesis. After that, try it on terminal. As you can see, we got an error because we did not include man class inside the parentheses of the child class. Try on terminal one more time. Pretty nice, it works now. That's everything for now. You need to do that by your computer. You need to try your code and see everything. Thank you for watching.